Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to fix kernel panic on MacBook Pro. So first of all, click on System Settings to open it. Once the settings panel opens on the screen, from the left side, make sure the General section is open. Inside this section, find and click on Login Items and Extensions. Here you will see the Open at Login list. Sometimes an old or corrupted app in this list can cause startup issues or kernel panic problems. To check this, remove all the apps from this list by selecting them one by one and clicking on the minus icon. After that, look below at the Allow in the Background section. Here you will see all the apps that are allowed to run in the background. If you find any app that you do not recognize or no longer use, simply turn it off. This will stop that app from running in the background and then restart your MacBook normally. If the kernel panic or startup issue is gone, that means one of those apps was causing the problem. And that's it. This is how you can fix startup issues or kernel panics on a MacBook by checking login items. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.